In this exercise, we will learn the Magnetic Lasso tool. The Magnetic Lasso tool is basically a selection tool, and it works like a magnet. It makes a selection by snapping to the image edges. It is also the perfect tool to cut out any subject in an image very quickly. Let's see how this works. Okay, if we right-click on the Lasso tool, we can see the Magnetic Lasso tool underneath the Polygonal Lasso tool. For your shortcut key, press Shift and L to select this tool. Let's zoom in. Okay, now if I click one time and drag the mouse around this image, you can see how fast it is making a selection. It is not perfect, but you can see how quickly it is making a selection. Okay, if I try again to make a selection, if I click and drag my mouse a little bit away from the edges, you can see it is not selecting the edges. So how can I fix that? We need to use the control option above. We have the same tools as we did previously, but we also have another control option that we need to use. Now we will talk about width contrast and frequency options. Okay, the width tool is basically used to control the magnetic level. That refers to how far our magnetic tool needs to be away from the edges to detect the edges. For example, if we increase the pixels, something like that, and try to make a new selection, let's click one time and drag the mouse away from the edges. You can see it is detecting the edges perfectly. If we go too far away, it will not work. Let's try again. Click and drag around the edges. Now we can see this area is not going to be selected because this area has too much of a similar color to the background contrast to fix. And now we have to increase the contrast, something like that. Let's try again. Now, we still can't select those edges. We need to choose a frequency option. Let's make the frequency 100% and try again. Now we can see this is almost perfect. Now copy it, Control and C, and paste, Control and V, and turn off this layer to see how it looks. You can see it is a really nice cutout. It may not be perfect, but it is quick, and that is very, very cool. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Quick Selection tool.